Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Welcome to week 2 of the Stack It Collab, hosted by Coffee, Cake, and Crafting. This week's theme is stacked books. For my project, I've created this stacked book desk organizer. Before we get into the details of this project, let me tell you about the products that I used. The paper collection that I used is by Stamperia. It's called Alchemy. I did do a full review of this collection, and I will be sure to include a link in the description box below. This is available at ASC Craft Supplies. They have 2 retail locations. You can visit them at their Etsy store or on the web. Also, feel free to use my coupon code ROBYN10, that's all in capital letters, to receive a 10% discount upon checkout. I also used a digital file by MYSCRAPCHICK, which is their Nugget Matchbook box, and I'll show you how I integrated it into this project. This organizer measures 7 inches across, and the tallest point is 7 inches. I have used chipboard to create the boxes. On top, I have this beautiful floral spray that is resting on this beautiful cream lace. On the front, we have 3 different books. This first book here, we have The Wise Owl, and I've adorned this with this golden rhinestone trim. In the center, we have this green seam binding, and I've added in this rhinestone pearl and this beautiful vintage gold key. We have some pearl trim on the bottom. And the last book, which is the smallest, has this queen bee, and that's also adorned with gold rhinestone trim. This is the side of the book, and on this first box I have made it a little tool caddy. I've got my scissors and pens and also other crafting materials, my blending brushes, my Cricut spatula. This is the back of the desk organizer. In the center here, I have 6 matchboxes. These are the matchboxes that I created using that digital file by MyScrapChick. I've added in these beautiful vintage brass handles, and each of them pull out. Inside, I have some of my Cricut blades. I've got some paper clips. And I also have my blades for my paper trimmer. You can fill this with anything. And on the last book, I've created 2 compartments here. On the right, I have envelopes, and then I have note cards. And this fits standard A2 cards and envelopes. This is a beautiful home decor piece and desktop organizer, but it can also be used as a Happy Mail gift. You can fill each of these areas with fun embellishments. Here's a better view of these beautiful flowers on top. I think this is so pretty. I just love this paper. This concludes my review of my stacked book desk organizer. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Please be sure to join me tomorrow to see my full tutorial on how I made this project. Up next in the Stack It Collab is DeborahAdams from Creative Life. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.